use this tool to help out your yoga practice right now. So I'm talking about the idea of community, using Facebook groups, the group here in this forum that we have on YouTube. We read through the comments. We often bounce ideas off each other. The idea is you want to hold each other accountable. It really helps me out when I'm struggling with being distracted, family, work, things getting in the way of my practice. Sometimes I can talk to some of my peers, some of the guys, some of the girls, people I've trained with, people that want to just be healthy in general. A lot of times we can bounce ideas off each other and see where we are at and what we're doing to make sure that we're on mission with our goals. So it's a lot easier when you have other people doing it with you. This is something I highly recommend with anything in life. If you can get involved with a community and a group, you can definitely have another avenue for success. And make sure to take advantage of us. We're here for you. We can definitely help you out with some things. So make sure you subscribe right now and join our community.